All right, welcome to this segment of the videos we've been doing for quite a while now. Today we are going to cover on how to use your AI to write your chapter 1.3, which is the objectives of the study. Now, this is a prompt. It's an extract from our complete AI prompt, fully automated for complete research writing. All right. So this is a prompt we are going to be using. As the case may be, you can get to see it. The first side you can see here is the instruction to the AI. And then you can see the instruction. Then we have the structural requirement. We have the citation requirement. And then we have the chapter specific instruction. This is specifically for objective of the study. It's just an extract as we've said. So you can pause this video and copy it, as we are not going to paste this prompt on the description section. Pause the video and copy it. This is accurate. If you follow us, you can write any form of academic paper easily with AI, including humanizing it, because we have the humanizing prompts that we've made. You can watch our series. You see the prompt there. You can download the prompt and use. You don't need to pay anybody to humanize your AI written content anymore. With our prompt, you are safe. All right. So you can bypass Turnitin, Zero GPT, originality, as the case may be. All right. So this prompt, pure specifically for objective of the studies. Now you can copy it. We are going to paste this directly on ChatGPT. As you can see that we're pasting this on ChatGPT. All right, so we'll paste it. It's going to ask us a few questions, as the case may be. You can see it's asking us to provide the research topic. Do you have specific case study? Please provide. Who is your target? Who is your target population? Provide your data collection method. Will you use? Okay, what type of study is this? A qualitative, quantitative, or mixed method? Which referencing style will you use? All right, so all that we've answered. Our topic still remains. We've not changed topic yet. Gender differences in life event stress and workers' productivity on Oshimili South Delta State. Case study is Oshimili South Delta State. So we've copied this as the answers to these questions. So we're going to paste this here and we'll enter. Now it will start writing our objective of the studies easily. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, you are missing a whole lot, especially if you're a student, a lecturer in the academic field, or institutional research, any kind of research. Using AI, we cover the details. We are not just covering because we need subscribers, but this is our work. We are academic consultants, and we develop softwares, especially AI-related softwares, AI-powered softwares. And this is programmatic prompts. It's just an extract from our 70-page fully automated prompt. Now, so we are not doing guesswork here. It's not the nominal AI prompt training that you have out there. This is programmatic in nature. Now, this objective of the study is fully done and fully accepted. If you want to humanize this, you can use our humanizing prompt. You have it. If you have any question, as we are done with this particular video, if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want us to cover any specific topic, don't be shy. You know what I mean? Don't be shy. Tell us in the comment section. We are going to cover it holistically. I can give you that promise. Thank you so much. Tell your friends about this channel. They don't want to miss. I can bet you. They don't want to miss any of our videos, any of our section. Thank you.